What accommodations are available for invisible disabilities at work? Imagine going to work and feeling like your needs are understood without having to explain everything every day. That's what workplace accommodations for invisible disabilities aim to do. Invisible disabilities are conditions that aren't obvious to others but can impact how someone performs their job. These include issues like chronic pain, mental health conditions, fatigue, or sensory sensitivities. Employers provide adjustments called reasonable accommodations to help employees succeed without changing the core job. These are required by laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act, which protects workers' rights. Employees have the right to keep their health information private, so requests are handled discreetly. One common accommodation is flexible work schedules. This means starting or ending work at different times, taking breaks when needed, or working part-time. For example, someone with fatigue might benefit from a later start time or shorter work hours. Remote work options are also popular, allowing employees to work from home to reduce stress or sensory overload. Adjustments to the work environment can include noise-canceling headphones, private workspaces, better lighting, or ergonomic chairs to lessen physical strain. Assistive technology is another helpful tool. Speech-to-text software can support those with writing difficulties, while screen readers help with visual challenges. Organizational apps can assist with memory or task management. Providing written instructions and reminders helps employees with memory or learning disabilities stay on track. Job restructuring involves changing non-essential duties or redistributing tasks to match an employee's abilities. Extra breaks are also common, giving time for rest, medication, or stress relief. Supportive management practices are key. Managers trained to recognize needs can have open conversations with employees and offer ongoing support. Employers should have clear procedures for requesting accommodations that protect confidentiality and are easy to access. Training all staff about invisible disabilities fosters understanding and reduces stigma. Creating an inclusive culture where employees feel safe to disclose their needs encourages transparency. Companies can also set up resource groups or mentoring programs focused on disability inclusion. Regularly reviewing policies ensures they meet the evolving needs of employees with invisible disabilities. In the workplace, healthcare collaboration is important. Employees should feel comfortable sharing their medical needs based on advice from healthcare providers. Employers can work with healthcare professionals to understand the functional limitations involved. This helps tailor accommodations that support both health and productivity. Providing access to inclusive medical services that recognize invisible disabilities ensures employees get the right care. These accommodations are personalized and can include flexible hours, assistive tools, environmental changes, and supportive policies. They help employees perform their best while maintaining their health and dignity. Building an inclusive workplace that understands invisible disabilities benefits everyone, creating a more supportive and productive environment.